Good Food Show Summer in the City takes place at London's Excel Centre from 20th to the 22nd of May. The show presents delicious and seasonal foods with an emphasis on vitality and health. The show has brought together nearly 180 exhibitors. As they said, the point is to have the right fresh ingredients for summer days cooking, especially for those who want to lose weight. Having the right choice can keep them fit while enjoying a good meal.
Well, I have a teenage daughter as well, so it's a big issue for me. And we talk very much about balance, and it's about creating the right amount of exercise, healthy exercise that's achievable, and also eating a reasonable amount, not snacking on the bad things, but actually eating wholesome foods and real foods.